Okay, 10, 12, and listen to the next 1.3 third one. Two types of soaps A and B are in the market. Okay, their present market shares is 13%, 85% for B. 13% for A and 85% for B. That is your present state. Okay, the market shares. A is 13%, B is 85%. So next one is, of those who bought A the previous year, 65% continues to buy it again. So A is 65% means 0.65, and again while 35% switch over to B. 35% remain will be B. Of those who bought B the previous year, 55% buy it again, so B is 0.55, and 45% switch over to A. The remaining that 45 will be coming under the A. Find their share markets after 1 year and when it is equilibrium is reached. Okay, when the equilibrium state is reached. So first given matrix A and B is 15%, 13% share, and then it's not 13%, it is 15% share. So A is 15% share and B is 85% share. So AB matrix is 0.15, 0.85, and your transition matrix is, first it is 65 means 0.65 and 0.35, and it switches again for the next year is 55 for B and 45 for A. Okay, so this is your transition probability matrix. When you add it, you will get 1. Okay, now after 1 year, what is the share? Multiply this AB and this transition matrix, 1 row and 1 column. So here A represents the people those who bought soap A, and B represents the people those who got soap B. From the given data, you find it AB and the transition of AB. So multiplying the successive current transition and with the previous transition, that is what your on stage transition, is it not? Now probability matrix you are going to multiply. So we multiply a row and a column, 0.15 with 0.65, again 0.85 with 0.45, then again 0.15 with 0.35, 0.85 with 0.55. So you add it, you will get 0.0975 plus 0.3825, which is 0.48, 0.0525 plus 0.4675, that gives you 0.52. Hence the market share after 1 year, it is 48% and 52%. 0.48 is 48%, 0.52 is 52%. Now at equilibrium, so you have found out one answer, is it not? Find the market shares in 1 year, it is, the share is changed. Next, at equilibrium, what is the equilibrium state? The both should be of same level, right? When it reaches its equilibrium at A and B, what is its shares? So the equilibrium state is AB matrix into transition matrix, which gives you again AB matrix. When you multiply both sides by AB with the transition matrix, it should be same. Then where A plus B is your 1, that is your probability, addition of the probability is 1. Occurrence and the non-occurrence, is it not? Now A and B multiply with transition given 0.65, 0.35, 0.45, 0.55, that is equal to AB. Multiply a row with a column, 0.65A plus 0.45B, which is equal to 0.35A plus 0.55B, which is equal to AB matrix. Equating on both sides, you will get 0.65A plus 45B is equal to A. So in B place, you again replace 1 minus A. So A alone, club it one side, you will get 0.8A is equal to 0.45. So your A will be 0.45 by 0.8, which gives you 0.5625. 0.5625 is nothing but 56.25. And therefore B is 1 minus A, this is 1 minus 0.5625, which is 0.4375, which is 43.75. So equilibrium is reached when A is 56.25% and B is 43.75%.